everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to define desired speed decisions, reduce speed areas. Again, we will see how to assign the conflict areas and the priority rules. Okay, let's start with the design speed decision and the reduce speed areas. These are used to assign speed to vehicles at different points or lanes. So based on this, we can simulate the vehicles in the PTV Vissim. Both desired speed decisions and reduced speed areas operate based on desired speed distributions. Last time, if you remember that, we defined distributions based on desired speed. So both of reduced speed areas and desired speed decisions, they operate based on the distribution which are originally assigned. So to assign desired speed decision or to make a decision, right? Click here, okay, over here. Then if we want to make a decision for this entry, just right click and add new desired decisions. So immediately the new window will pop out like this, okay? Don't forget to give name. For example, let's say it's one. And here you can add the vehicles, okay? So add the vehicles and you can decide the vehicle speed on this lane. Let's say it's kilometers per hour. Okay, we can do like this. Okay, so I assigned for this lane 50 kilometers per hour. So for each lane, you can assign the desired speed like this. Another one is reduced speed area. By the way, both of them they use to control the speed in the Vissim links. Don't forget to have the original data, but it's sometimes difficult to have the original data or the behavior of the vehicles in the circular intersection. Whatever it is, we can assign the reduced speed area like this. Click the reduced speed area here, and most of the time we assign the reduced speed area for the curvature or curved places. Just right click over here, add new reduced speed area. So immediately the new window will pops out like this. Give the names. Again, add the vehicles here. Okay, add the vehicles. Then here you can assign based on the original distribution. You can assign the minimum one, for example, here. So or less than this. So that means the vehicles when they are reaching this place, they reduce their speed from the desired speed. Well, so you can increase the area for the vehicles to decrease their speed like this. Okay, you can decrease or you can increase the area. This is how we can assign the desired speed decision and the reduced speed area. Well, by doing this, we can control the speed of the vehicles in the entire network. Don't forget to assign for each lane the desired speed decision and the reduced speed area. If you want to see that for which place or for which lane you are assigned, you can just click here and make it like show list, and immediately it shows you the list of the desired speed and the assigned vehicles. Okay, next let's see the conflict area and priority rules. These are different network objects that can be used to dictate in the interaction between simulated vehicles at the intersection between two links. For example, here we have the same circular link and here we have another link. So between this link and the circular link, there is a conflict over here between the vehicles. So by using the conflict areas and priority rules, we can solve the problems related with the conflicts. So here we can specify at the priority of any location for the conflict areas. Just to see where is the conflict areas, click on the conflict areas. Vissim shows you where the conflict areas are available now. So all these yellow lines shows us the conflict areas of this intersection. Yellow means there is no conflict. Okay, to see and to change all the conflict areas, right click on here and show list. Okay, it shows all the links and the conflict areas. Okay, so here, for example, if we want to make a prioritization over here, it is the circular link, and there is another entry link here. By default, most of the time, the vehicles on the circular link, they have priority to leave the circle in the roundabout. So you can make it like this: two waiters, one. So immediately it changes from the yellow to like this. This means the circular lane yields over this link. So you can adjust all the links like this. For example, sometimes you can do like this: undefined or undetermined. Okay, you can do like this. This means both directions they can yield. So easily you can prioritize by using the conflict areas. Okay, but in reality, sometimes we can't solve all issues by using the conflict areas. So priority rules offer greater flexibility than conflict areas when determining how vehicle interaction should take place. However, they are also more difficult to apply and should only be used when conflict areas cannot reasonably replicate the desired intersection. So to assign the priority rules, okay, here we have the priority rules, okay. So this shows the conflict areas, okay. So in the priority rule, for example, if we want to make a priority rule over the conflict areas, here we have like conflict area, or just select this point. Sometimes the vehicles they can make a conflict. So just click on the priority rule and right click over here or in the circular link, add new priority rule. It starts from the red, the stop line, and like this with the green. So immediately we added the priority rule. Don't forget to give the name, and you can link all the lanes or lane to lane. Okay, and you can assign the vehicle types, and you can determine the minimum gap, the clearance, the maximum speed. So by doing this, we can assign the priority rule. Thank you very much. Next time, I will show you how to control. I mean that sometimes it's difficult to control the vehicles, the conflicts in the circular or in the roundabout, like using the conflict areas and the priority rules. So in addition to this, we can use the signalization. So on the next time, I will show you how to use signalization. See you.